economy, providing further jobs, and of course, in some cases, generating further foreign currency. The sector provides requisite feedstock to manufacturing because some of the minerals are used in manufacturing various other issues, and this is done through forward linkages. The sector also supports manufacturing through, as we have seen, through purchasing microscopes, because they are manufactured by somebody. So Unki, by making this donation, is actually contributing to other sectors of the economy, like manufacturing. The pivotal industry starts with geology, and without geology, there would be no mining. The first step in mining is geological exploration. This is the primordial stage of the discovery of a deposit and assessment of its exploitation potential. Geological studies involve the use of specialized equipment, and among them, microscopes are used to identify and characterize mineral deposits. The mineral composition plays a crucial role in the assessment of its exploitability. Without microscope, one cannot adequately characterize mineral deposits. It is my pleasure to say that this donation is being presented to the program where the value chain for this ministry starts. Like I said, it starts with geology, and of course these provide a useful set to geologists when they try and characterize minerals at the beginning of the mining value chain. So this is a very, very important contribution to the mining industry. And for me to take a breath, I would suggest that we give them a very big round of applause. The ministry identifies with the vision of creating a center of excellence for mineral education and research at the University of Zimbabwe as a necessary first step in the development of innovative solutions that benefit the sector. To show our commitment to the project, the ministry has appointed the Director of Metallurgy to sit on the Industrial Advisory Board of the school. This is the School of Geosciences, Mineral Sciences, yes. And I hope that our Director of Metallurgy is here. If you could please stand up. This nominee will provide the necessary input from government and communicate to government through the ministry the requirements of the new school for necessary government intervention as needed. There is no gainsaying that the mining sector will play a pivotal role in our quest to become a middle-income economy by 2030. However, in order for us to accomplish this, the mining industry will have to increase its output. For example, to raise gold production to about 100 tons per year, which I believe the industry is targeting and hopefully will achieve it in the fullness of time. Such growth is only feasible if we can develop innovative solutions to our production processes. A healthy growth in this sector is the kind of medicine that the country needs going forward. Donations such as the university has received today are key ingredients that will make such growth possible. In this regard, we are thankful to Unki Mine for their sacrificial gift to the School of Earth and Mineral Sciences at the University of Zimbabwe. As the country focuses its attention to transforming itself into a middle-income economy by 2030, we are confident that the mining industry will play a pivotal role in this process. As equipment donation from the mining industry, I will take that again, I'm sorry. As equipment donation from the mining industry to help establish the Center of Excellence for Mineral Education at the University of Zimbabwe, all in, we hope other players will follow suit. We look forward to the development of practical and innovative solutions to challenges facing the industry. Building a world-class teaching and research infrastructure that supports the mining industry is a project that requires the support of all players in the sector. I trust and hope that through the chamber, other mining houses will also get to know about the pioneering efforts done by Unki and hopefully follow suit to this very good example that we have seen. While this cannot and should not be about equal giving, it is about equal and shared sacrifices. Thus, no gift will be too small, and private citizens can also contribute to this effort. On behalf of the Ministry of Mines and Mining Development, I want to thank Unki Mines for the generous donation of Microscope to set up a state-of-the-art microscope laboratory in the Geology Department of the Ministry of Earth and Mineral Resources. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you.
Thank you very much. At this point, the MC has got some powers vested in him. He will change the program a little bit and invite the minister to come forward and the representative of Unki, who is going to give the present to the minister. Unki as the present for the minister. When I saw it first, I thought it was for the MC. Right, again, using the powers vested in the MC, I want to invite the acting vice chancellor and the director of the school to come forward, please. Now, the VC has also got a present for Unki, so we invite the representative for Unki to come forward. Thank you very much. Now at this point, before the gifts were coming to me, I thought they were mine, but they've all gone. Right, at this point, I will take this opportunity to invite the director of the School of Earth and Mineral Sciences, Professor Ijokumbu, to come and give the vote of thanks. Prof.
Thank you for coming here to grace this particular occasion. I would like to thank all of you for coming here to witness the donation of the microscope to us. We want to thank the Chamber of Mines for setting up the partnership that has made this possible. We want to thank the university administration as well for the support that they've given us. The time we moved the idea of setting up a School of Earth and Mineral Sciences here, we presented the proposal to the university, and right away they took to it and they allowed us to go ahead with the program. We want to thank the Honorable Minister of Higher Education, Science and Technology Development for agreeing to take time from his busy schedule to be here to actually officiate on the official handing over of the microscope to the school. The support of the Ministry of Mines and Mining Development is also appreciated. They welcome here to participate in this particular program. My job is a little bit easy. Okay, I want to thank the staff in the Department of Geology in the School of Earth and Mineral Sciences for being here to actually witness the event unfolding before us. Okay, I want to thank also the industrial leaders who have come here to take time from their busy schedule to be with us. Okay, I will turn my attention now to Unki Mines. We talked to them when the school was actually set up. We submitted a proposal to create a school of Earth and Mineral Sciences. Okay, and the proposal was approved on the 12th of December in 2017. Okay, shortly after that, we talked to Unki and we said we would like some donation from them to try and equip our microscopy lab. Okay, immediately what they said, look, what they will do something about it. They proposed to buy out the 30 student microscopes. Then I went back like Oliver Twist, asking for more. I said, look, can you throw in 2 stereo microscopes? They said, okay. Then I said, well, I have one last request. Can you add a research microscope for us as well? And they said, oh, all right, they will do it. So on behalf of the students and the staff of this university, I want to thank Unki sincerely for actually bearing with us and for going beyond the call of duty to provide us with state-of-the-art equipment to actually train students in geology and to try and provide solutions to the mining industry. A favorite saying that I say before I sit down is this: there are only 2 basic industries, mining and agriculture. If you don't mine something, you have to grow it. If you don't mine anything, you have to grow it. So the 2 basic industries that are vital to this particular nation will be agriculture and mining. And we have to, if you have a chicken that is laying you the golden egg, you have to feed it. And what Unki have done today is to feed that particular chicken so that it can continue to lay the golden egg for this country and for society in general. So on behalf of the staff and students who are in the school, I want to thank you all for coming to this particular occasion.
Thank you very much, Prof. At this point, I want to invite all the other delegates who haven't visited the lab. You can tour the geology lab. I don't know who is leading the team to geology. Yeah, if you can stand up so that they see that they can go with you when they go. And we also have got refreshments on the next floor. And I am now going to kindly ask the high table and the other officials to first go and then we remain seated and then we can follow up. Thank you very much for coming.
That's why I'm saying how to